The Harrier jump jet is one of the most recognizable aircraft ever built. It's instantly identifiable by its ability to take off and land vertically. Unlike conventional aircraft that require long runways, the Harrier can operate from short fields, ships, and even damaged air bases. This unique capability is made possible by its innovative vectored thrust system. The Harrier's engines are designed to direct thrust downwards, allowing it to lift off vertically. Once airborne, the pilot can rotate the nozzles to transition into forward flight. This revolutionary design transformed military aviation, providing unparalleled flexibility and tactical advantage in combat. The Harrier's origins can be traced back to the Cold War. During this period, NATO forces faced a significant challenge from the Warsaw Pact's numerical superiority in tanks and troops. Military strategists recognized the need for a new type of aircraft that could operate close to the front lines, providing air support without relying on vulnerable air bases. The concept of vertical short takeoff and landing, or VSTOL aircraft, emerged as a potential solution to the challenges of Cold War air operations. The idea was to develop an aircraft that could take off and land vertically, eliminating the need for long runways. This capability would allow aircraft to operate from dispersed locations, such as forests, roads, or ships, making them less susceptible to attack. British engineers took the lead in developing VSTOL technology. In the 1950s, the Hawker Siddeley Company began experimenting with vectored thrust systems. Their groundbreaking work led to the creation of the P.1127, a prototype aircraft that demonstrated the feasibility of vertical takeoff and landing. The P.1127's success generated significant interest from military leaders who saw its potential for transforming air warfare. The P.1127's success paved the way for the development of the Hawker Siddeley Harrier, the world's first operational VSTOL fighter jet. The Harrier's development involved collaboration between the United Kingdom and the United States, showcasing the international interest in this revolutionary aircraft. In 1969, the Harrier entered service with the Royal Air Force, marking a significant milestone in aviation history. The Harrier's unique capabilities quickly attracted attention from other countries. The United States Marine Corps, recognizing its potential for amphibious operations, became a major operator of the Harrier. The USMC employed the Harrier extensively in various conflicts, including the Falklands War, the Gulf War, and the Afghanistan War. The Harrier's ability to operate from ships and austere land bases proved invaluable in these conflicts. Section 4. A new era of air power. The Harrier's introduction revolutionized military aviation, ushering in a new era of air power characterized by flexibility and adaptability. Its VSTOL capabilities allowed for the dispersal of air assets, making them less vulnerable to enemy attack. Harriers could operate from remote locations, providing close air support to ground troops without the need for traditional air bases. This capability proved particularly valuable in the Falklands War, where British Harriers operated from aircraft carriers and makeshift airstrips. The Harrier's maneuverability and firepower gave it an edge in dogfights with Argentine fighters, demonstrating its effectiveness in air-to-air combat. Section 5. The Harrier's enduring legacy. The Harrier's impact on aviation extends far beyond its service record. Its development marked a turning point in aircraft design, proving the viability of VSTOL technology. The Harrier's success inspired a new generation of engineers and designers to explore the boundaries of aviation. Its legacy can be seen in modern aircraft like the F-35B Lightning II, which builds upon the Harrier's VSTOL concept with advanced stealth and sensor capabilities. The Harrier's pioneering spirit continues to shape the future of aviation, inspiring innovation and pushing the limits of what is possible in the sky.